Hi, I'm Rob Brett. I'm curator at RHS Garden Hyde Hall. Autumn is just such a magnificent time of year, especially with obviously the diversity of colour that you can get, particularly from the trees. At Hyde Hall we've got a number of different trees that absolutely sing for us, such as this lovely ash tree, this Fraxinus raywood, that is absolutely looking spectacular with the crimson burgundy colours now that we're into autumn. Also, we have a number of acers across the garden as well that really do show their beauty and their colour at this time of year. Things like the Acer Autumn Blaze, or Jeffers Red as it's also called. But it's also things like the seed heads that they start to actually take their colour, particularly Hylotelephium. Works extremely well, as well as the grasses. The grasses during the summer look absolutely great, but it's in autumn that they really come into their own.